In previous videos, I showed you how I went from this to this, and now let me show you how I went to this. The goal was to have a removable countertop so that if we ever want to change out the washer and dryer, we can. Step 1 was marking where all the studs were and then measuring how wide we wanted our countertop. We're using 2x2s. We measured our first piece, then we cut it on the saw. Holding it up to the wall, I marked on the board where the first stud was. Then I pre-drilled the holes. I held the board against the wall, made sure it was level, and then my husband measured to make sure it was at the right height. Then we screwed the board into the wall. Cut down the next piece, did the same thing where I marked the studs. I pre-drilled again, and then I put in some screws just a little bit to have them started. We measured and leveled again, and then we screwed in the next side piece at the studs. Because of the hose for the washer, we are going to have to break the back up into 2 different pieces, but same process. We marked for the studs, we pre-drilled, then we put in the screws to leave them out just a little bit to make them easier to attach to the wall. It was very much doing the same process over and over again. And yes, the whole thing would have been easier if we just removed the washer and dryer. But this is what we were left with. We realized that the corners didn't have studs, so then the last thing we did was add some brackets in the back, some little metal corner pieces. So I marked the holes, then I pre-drilled, and then I attached the corner pieces to keep it all really strong.